Welcome back to Roy Roxified. This is probably episode 3 of our channel, but I guess importantly is that we haven't really been doing introduction to the channel, and our previous video was an unboxing 0707 and there wasn't any introduction done, so we'd like to share introduction to the things that we bought.
Hi everyone, Rox here. As Roy mentioned just now, we are just going a little bit deeper into each of the items that we purchased during 7/7 for our upcoming New Zealand trip. So let's get into it.
Okay, this little guy right here is our new travel buddy, the DJI Action 5 Pro. We got it specially for our New Zealand road trip, and honestly, I'm so ready to see what this thing can do. This is our favorite haul. Small, tough, waterproof, and shoots super smooth 4K video. The DJI Action 5 Pro. It's perfect for road trip vibes, some mountain views we're gonna see, and all those moments that we don't want to miss. Well, pretty much our secret weapon to make sure this trip looks as epic on camera as it does in real life. So this is the suction cup from Ulanzi. What it does is that you can actually suction it onto your car to give you a action camera view. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna put this in, and then we're gonna do a suction. What we're gonna do afterwards is that we're gonna put our Action 5 Pro camera over here to actually film the driving results. Now I'm gonna do some introduction on the driving results, so look at sample clips.
Ulanzi Suction Cup Mount is really a little upgrade to the Action 5 camera so that we can get the most out of it. It locks onto the car like a champ so that we can grab cinematic rolling shots without juggling gear while driving. So we've got 3 different vantage points that we've tried. Works well on all 3. So I think we can mix and match in our video shots to get a more multifaceted video.
And also, you see the mic being pinned up over here. This is the mic that Rox was giving explanation earlier to. There is also a magnet that comes with it, but the magnet is at the back of the car. We forgot to put it on. So it's not you can just put it in on top of your clothing.
And this little beauty, our Mini 4K drone. It's small enough to pack anywhere, but powerful enough to grab those epic aerial shots of New Zealand's mountains, the lakes, and the winding roads. So basically our bird's eye view for the trip. So we wanted something really a beginner drone type. That's why we picked this one. It's not super pricey, and you know, we can kind of get an intro of what drone is without too big of an investment upfront.
Roxanne will be learning how to fly the drone so that when I'm driving, the drone will be following behind us. Okay, and Roxanne will be with the remote control over here. Okay, use the left to ascend and descend. Please take note that there is also trees on, so turn to the right. Face your camera to the right. So what it's doing. Look here. You're not supposed to look anywhere else, so you're not supposed to look at your drone while flying. Okay, then you can go straight. It's a very windy day today, so the drone is taking some time to fly around. It's our practice flight, so trying our best.